Yeah, man, Muenzer Racing since 1957. My dad.
Right on.
Thanks for being out here, Neal. Yeah, we're at Redding Dragway. Funny car chaos. Oh no, funny car fever.
Yeah.
NE3 Dragster right here. I'm at a 960 index. Gonna try to run the numbers, see what we can get done. I got to go up against Mike Muenzer and Don Mallory, but I got my main man Fred Berry right here, crewing, pitting next to Blaine Neal. How can you go wrong?
We ran the car to see where it was performance-wise. The engine is a bit too powerful for the 960 index, so Michael has a throttle stop plate and an ET Genie in order to adjust for different weather conditions. The first test run was too quick, but we made adjustments and tried again in test 2. This run was very close to perfect, so we know we are in the proper range. In qualifying on Friday, a strong headwind developed. We thought it would slow us down a couple of hundredths, which would be fine. Unfortunately, the air density and wind had a greater effect, and the car ran a couple hundredths slower than we wanted. Saturday we ran another qualifying round and got the tune-up a bit closer. Our 865 held up for the #1 spot. With an odd number of cars entered in NE3, that meant we would get a first round by run and eliminations. Once again the car ran way too quick. We are speculating that there may be flex in the firewall which allows for more throttle travel even with the stop. Michael will just have to get out front and then ease off the throttle or pedal to win rounds. As we prepared for round 2, Michael decided he would enter the West Coast Pro Gas race at Sonoma Raceway the following Monday. Stay tuned on this channel for a recap of that race. Sonoma is about 4 hours south of Redding, so we can easily tow down there tomorrow and then race on Monday. Michael got out front on Eric Harmon and then pedaled a couple of times. But we took the stripe and broke out by a bunch. Eric ended up breaking out also, but he broke out B-less and was got victory. In conclusion, it was nice getting the car out on the track again and seeing friends that you only see when racing. We look forward to racing at Sonoma in a couple of days too. That is an amazing facility. Thank you for watching. See you all soon.